Alright, this is a trout, also called a steelhead. This is how you fillet it up by Chuck. Electric knife.
Dad, this is the one that we're taking.
Nice looking fish.
Beautiful.
I think Chuck's done this once or twice.
Not as much as Ronnie.
Ronnie over here is doing up a pickerel.
This is the one that we're cooking tonight.
Is this supper?
Yeah, this
Is that supper?
Supper!
I'm just Chuck, Ron.
There's Ron. He's about to do a pickerel / walleye. Next time I want to clean a fish, I'm going to YouTube it. Because Ron and Chuck have done this once or twice down here at Erieau.
Erieau, Ontario. Butcher Buoy charters and Nature Buoys charters.
How do people get a hold of you?
519-784-2996 or butcherbuoy.com.
That's butcher and then boy, like
B-U-O-Y. Boy to the water.
this little trick here. What are you doing with the skin laying on there? It's still on. What are you doing that?
The ministry stops here. They have to be able to identify the fillet.
There's a little bone in there that you were telling us about. What's that all about?
What's that again, Scott?
Those cheekbones that you just took out. You're saying they taste like scallops.
Yeah, they do. Chewy, sweet.
Should do the cheekbones first on them. This one's a walleye. You can show us that how you do that. You're saying about that bone thing.
Okay, we call that zippering them. Call that zippering.
Right down the spine there.
He's already got one. Here's your other.
Another walleye, buddy.
Grab that one.
I told him I done one for him, John. I told him he was privileged.
What's that zipper thing again?
Yeah, I'll show you right now. Skin the fish.
Yeah,
Lay it skin side down. Okay?
yeah.
You cut down both sides of that, they call it a blood line or a mud line.
Yeah.
Okay? Pull the bottom portion off. That's boneless.
Yep.
Grab this middle part, pull that out. There's a row of bones. You cut off the Y bone, and that'll pull them out. You always want to check. Take it out like that. Throw this away.
Awesome. That was Ron from Butcher Buoy and Chuck, the Erieau Marina.